Srimati Mausam Noor. Yes, please hear.
Sir, my 0 hour today.
She is raising a good point. One second.
Steps to stop.
1 second. Demand to take. 1 second. Why don't you hear the lady? Demand to take necessary steps to stop erosion by the Ganga river in Malda, West Bengal. Very important point. Yes, Madam.
Sir, thank you
Mausam
for
Noor.
accepting my 0 hour as the first notice. You have been very generous. However, the finance minister has not been at all generous. 0 has been given to Bengal in the budget, and 0 has been given to battle the floods of Malda. So here I am in Parliament speaking for the people of Malda Uttar and Malda Dakshin on behalf of the Trinamool Congress. Sir, every year during the monsoons, Malda, where I hail from, is devastated by major floods and erosions by the river of Ganga, Mahananda, Fulahar and Tangun. But this year, it is more alarming as over the course of time, the rivers have changed its direction and the distance between the two major rivers, Ganga and Fulahar, has come down to only 700 meters, which was earlier almost 8 kilometers apart. If these rivers merge, there will be a huge disaster causing colossal damage. Huge areas of lands will be engulfed by the rivers. People will lose their lands, mango orchards, farming fields, and the situation will render lakhs of people homeless. Especially affected are the blocks of Kaliachok 3, Kaliachok 2, Manik Chowk, Rotwa 1, where the Ganga flows, and Horishchandapur 2, Chanchol 2, where the Fulahar flows. So since this issue comes under the purview of the central government, our Honorable Chief Minister, Ms. Mamta Banerjee, has several times asked the Ministry of Water Resources and Farakka Barrage to conduct anti-erosion works and to come up with a permanent solution. Specifically, in February 2022, she wrote to the Ministry of Water Resources requesting to restore the extended 120 kilometers jurisdiction of the Farakka Barrage Protection Authority. Earlier, during the UPA regime, anti-erosion and bank protection works had been conducted several times in the affected areas. But unfortunately, since 2014, the Farakka Barrage has failed to combat the situation and take any major action. Sir, I have also raised this matter several times in the 0 hour and also through special mention. And since the situation has turned extremely alarming, as Ganga and Fulahar might merge and create havoc in the aforementioned areas, through you, I once again appeal to the government to look into this immediately. A permanent solution is needed and is needed urgently. If this issue is not looked into, many lives, lands, public and private property will be lost forever. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Srimati Mausam Noor ji.